Good afternoon, kids. It's me, Teacher Claire, and today is going to be fun because we will be learning numbers. Okay? Alright? So, kids, are you ready for today's lesson? I hope so. How are you today? Okay, alright. So, Today is Monday. Alright, good job. So today is Monday and our lesson will be math, okay? I hope by now you already know what is our lesson every day. And today is June 22nd, okay? So kids, before we start, I want you, again, we have rules in our class. I want you to listen attentively. Repeat after me and remember the lesson that we are learning every day. Okay? Alright, so let's start. Let's have a short review. Previously, we learned about removing part of a collection, right? So, for example, look at this fish. If this fish ate 1, 2, 3, 4 worms, how many worms are left? Okay, so again, how many worms do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 worms. Now, this fish ate 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 worms. So let's say, for example, 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The fish ate 4 worms. So let's remove 4 worms. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many worms left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write number 4 here. 4 worms left. Okay, so that's just a review, kids, of our previous lesson. Let's move on to a new topic. Today we are going to have counting up to 10, okay? So again, can we count your numbers? Can we count numbers 1 to 10? Wait, 1 moment. Okay, let's count 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that will be our lesson for today. Look at this picture here. Okay, so we have here candy, jar. This is a jar. Wait, so this is a jar, okay? So it's where the candies were stored. Okay, so we have a jar. So this is the jar. We have candies inside. We have cheese, and we have your mouse. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is to count the numbers. Since our lesson is counting up to 10, let's count each group from 1 going up to 10. Okay. Right? So let's do it. That's why we count 1 to 10 earlier, because that's just a practice, because that's what we're going to have today. Okay, so let's move on to our topic. Let's have this. Okay, so how many mouse are there? How many mouse are there? There are 1, 2 mouse, right? There are 2 mouse. So 2, no, not yet here. So let's say there are 2 mouse. Now, how many cheese are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cheese. How many candies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 candies. How many jars are there? So 1, 2. Okay? So since we were able to count these things, let's now complete the missing boxes. Okay? Alright? So these two mouse, they are hungry. Look, this mouse wants to eat candy and this mouse wants to eat cheese. So how many mouse are hungry? How many mouse are hungry? 1, 2. That's right. So there are 2 mouse are hungry. Hungry. They want to eat. Okay. Next, how many cheese are there? Again, how many cheese are there? 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So there are how many? 4 cheese. Okay. Good job. Easy? Easy, kids? Okay. So next, look, candy. So there are how many candy? How many candies? How many candies are there? Can you count? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 candies. Okay, very easy. Next, how many jars are there? Jars. 1, 2. So let's answer the question, how many? There are 2 jars. Okay, so what did we learn so far? We learned how to answer this question, how many are there? Okay, so if I ask you, if you hear this question in the future, kids, let's say for example, how many oranges did you eat? How many oranges did you eat? So if you ate 2 orange, then you can say, I ate 2 orange. Okay, and what else? How many plants are there? So for example, I'm pointing to those plants away from me. How many plants? How many plants are there? Okay, how many plants are there? If there are 5 plants, then you can say there are 5 plants. Okay, so how many blank are there? How many cheese are there? There are 4 cheese. Okay, alright kids? So that's it for our presentation for today, counting 1 to 10. So later we will be having some practice. Let's see if you can easily count your numbers. Alright? Okay, so kids, watch this video attentively, try to understand it, and so that you can answer some activities with me later. Okay? So I'll see you later. Welcome back, kids. It's time for some activity. Now again, our rules when it comes to activity, I want you to participate and answer with me, okay? Participate, alright? So kids, what we're going to do is to again, remember, practice more about your numbers 1 to 10. Let's see if it's easy for you, okay? So we still have this here. I'll just post it here, just for you to familiarize, okay? Because later for your practice, you'll do something similar to this. So right now, our activity is counting, okay? Since today our lesson is counting 1 to 10, I'll give you a chance to count your numbers. So, are you ready? So here's what you're going to do. I will post pictures on the board and you have to count, okay? Count. Okay, so maybe I'll try to help you for some pictures, but for some I'll be showing you and you need to send me your answer. So type in your answer, okay? Alright, so ready? Let's count. So first is this. So how many jars are there? How many jars are there? Go kids, can you see it? Okay, I think it's clear. Okay, no excuses kids because you can see it clearly. Alright, so done. Finish. Count the jars. How many jars? Okay, send me your answers, okay? Alright, next. Oh. Next. How many cups are there? Okay, how many cups are there? Okay, I'll give you time to count your numbers. How many cups are there? Okay, there are. Okay, send me your answers, kids. Next, how many ducks are there? Can you see it? Okay, it's clear. You can see it. So, how many ducks are there? Don't forget to send me your answers. Okay. Alright, next. Oops, one moment. Next, how many ice cream? How many ice cream? How many ice cream? Count how many ice cream and send me your answers, kids. Okay. Next. How many umbrellas are there? How many umbrellas? Okay. Can you see it? Let's see. Okay, it's clear. Done? Okay, so lastly kids, how many clocks are there? Okay. Alright kids, again, count the numbers and send your answers to me, okay? So I'll try to I'll try to answer this one with you. So how many jellies are there? There are 1, 2. There are 2 jellies. How many shark are there? How many sharks are there? How many? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 sharks. Alright, so you are going to do the same thing here. You have to count, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Alright, and one more thing, kids. Let's do this as well. On page, I don't know, let's have it as your homework instead, okay? So kids, I want you to do this first, and then later I'll see you and give you your homework, alright? Okay, so I'll see you later, kids. Okay, kids, welcome back. It's time for homework. So again, for your homework, I will not be showing you the page or the book because you might not see it clearly. please wait for the picture of the page that you're going to answer for your homework, okay? But if you want to check it now, it's on page 10 and 11. So that would be your homework. And your homework will be the same thing as this, okay? That's why I tried to make a presentation which can help you answer your homework, okay? So again, for your homework, page 10 and 11, and you're going to do the same thing. So let's have another round before we end our class. So in here, there are pictures, okay? You can see pictures. Now, each picture is a part of a group. So these are cheese, these are mouse, these are candies. In each group, you can see more than one, meaning there can be 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, right? So for your homework, you are going to count each group. So whatever you can see in the picture on your book, you're going to count each group, and then you're going to complete this task, okay? So look, this cheese, so meaning it is asking for you to count how many cheese are there, okay? So how many cheese are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 cheese, okay? So that's what you're going to do for your homework. And kids, before we end our class today, let's count 1 to 10. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Alright, good. So that's it, kids, for today. Thank you for participating in our activity, and thank you for attending your class today. So happy, and I hope that I can see more of you attending our class. And please review your lessons because our final examination will be next month, and I want you to get high score. So please review. Alright, so kids, I'll have to say goodbye for now. Don't worry because I'll see you again tomorrow. Right? Okay, so I'll see you again tomorrow, kids. Goodbye.